This is Irshad AI Employee, an AI employee for your business, on WhatsApp, your website, and the web. Ask it a legal question. It answers from a built-in law library of 900-plus Pakistani statutes, citing the law, the page, and a link to the official document. Ask for case law, and it brings real high court judgments, with the court, the judge, and the year. Upload your own case files, and it reads those too. Summarize a matter, find the key dates, ask who is involved, in English or Roman Urdu. Your knowledge stays in folders you control. Publish a folder to your website or your WhatsApp number. Private matters stay private. Behind it all, more than 3,400 legal documents, statutes and judgments ready to answer. On WhatsApp, it answers your customers around the clock, and there's no app store needed. Tap the install button, and it becomes an app on your phone. When it doesn't know, it says so. No invented answers. Ever. Start free at irshados.com. Or ask your first question right now at irshados.com/ask.